My name's Eryk. I'm from Jersey. This is my 95 Toyota Supra. Thank you for checking out my Toyota Supra at PASMAG's Tuning 365. My Supra doesn't have much done to it. Coilovers, wheels, HKS exhaust, upgraded twins, front mount, intake, some audio stuff, radio, speakers, the typical. But besides that, I didn't really want to molest the car as the 60,000 mile Supra. But there is some plans in the works, single turbo and all the 2JZ goodies. So for wheels, I'm running Work Meister 3-piece S1s. For my coilovers, I have the HKS Drag series coilovers. For my tires, I'm running the Falken Azenis 615s. I have zero complaints about them. They do their job. Basically, the plan is to keep it a mix of like roll racing and shows, and mostly just fully build engine. You know, it's God's engine right here. It's a 2JZ. Favorite part of the car, I feel that it ties it all together, is my wheels. So the wheels took probably about a good 8 months to get, but I got them through 3-piece. I had them built brand new to-spec to the car because it's just so hard nowadays to find wheels to fit, and I didn't really want to take wheels apart and put them back together. So I just went for it. I got them brand new. I want to give a huge shout out to my good friend Justin at Flipzco. If it wasn't for him pushing me to get the car done, it probably wouldn't be here right now. But if you want to check out more of the car, make sure to head over my Instagram at It's Not a GTR.